Yes. I don't think there's gonna be a shape of it. Right. First one in the waiting room here is Deanne Cummings. Are you Deanne Cummins? There we go. All right. Can you hear me okay?
I can. Can you hear me now?
Perfectly.
Excellent.
All right. You should see, ma'am, in that screen, there is another individual present. She is an attorney from the state's attorney's office.
Hi.
She's going to make you an offer to see
Okay.
if you can resolve your speeding ticket.
Okay.
So the state's offer is going to be a $255 fine, but with court supervision.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes. How long is the court supervision?
Depends on how long you need to get it paid.
I can pay it today.
Your supervision would be 30 days then.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
And as you see scrolling around down at the bottom, it should you should see that paytrafficfine.org.
Yes.
That is a site where you can go to pay that remotely.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. You're good to go. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Take care.
Bye.
See, the next one just says iPhone.
I won't call them iPhones. Did accidentally yesterday.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Who is this? You just come up as iPhone, so I'm not sure who this is.
Oh, this is Jessica Mercer.
Jessica Mercer. Okay. All right. Got to get the right paperwork. All right. Ma'am, you should see in the screen there's another individual. It's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She is going to make you an offer to see if we can resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay. State's offer would be a $255 fine with court supervision. Okay.
Is that something you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. How long would you need to get that paid?
I can do it today if needed.
Okay. That's fine. As you see scrolling down at the bottom of the screen, it says paytrafficfine.org. That is a site you can go to pay that remotely if you want to.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
And that would be a year supervision? Is that usually
30 days, actually. 30 days.
30 days? And then the ticket would be off of my record, correct?
Yeah, it will not show as a conviction on your driving record.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Nope, I think that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. You're good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
We got Josh Rubin. Is this Josh Rubin?
Yes, this is him.
Do you have video by any chance?
I thought I had it turned on. Let me see if I can. There.
All right.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Mr. Rubin, you should see in the screen here, there's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She is going to make you an offer to see if we can resolve your speeding ticket.
Yes.
So the state's offer is going to be a $255 fine and court supervision.
$255. And there's no way I can get a lower fee from that. I mean, this is my first official speeding ticket, and
They're pretty much, the fines are pretty much set by statute.
okay.
That's the standard.
Okay, so supervision, and how does that work? Do I need to go to traffic court then? Because this is my first time doing anything like this, so I'm trying to make sure because I'm super busy with.
No, you're good. Actually, there's nothing else you have to do other than get the fine paid. And how long the supervision lasts depends on how long you need to get the fine paid. As long as you don't get any other tickets in that time, get the fine paid. It will not show up on your driving record as a conviction, but there's no other court or anything to attend.
Okay, so it's $255.
Correct.
Okay, and then how do I just go to the website then and do that?
If you see scrolling at the bottom of my screen where it says paytrafficfine.org, that's the site you can go to.
Okay. No, that I'm fine with. The officer who pulled me over told me to ask for supervision if it was possible.
Yep, that's what it is.
He knew I was stressed out because I'm not going to lie, between teaching, coaching, getting married, taking master's classes, it's been a pretty hectic year on top of the COVID situation.
I'd say on top of everything. Okay. No, you're good. And this is supervision. So again, if you make it through that term with no other tickets, get it fine paid, it will not show up on your record as a conviction.
Okay.
How long do you need to get the $255 paid?
I can pay it off right now.
Okay.
I can log on to the computer and pay it off.
All right. That'll work. Any other questions?
No, it's a lot faster than I thought it was going to be.
Hey, take a little stress down. So, okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
So, just pay the 5 and everything should be good then.
You're good. You're good.
Okay. Awesome.
All
Thank
right.
you so much. You have a great day.
You too. Take care.
All right. Bye.
Got Marco Bianco. Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
All
Sorry
right,
about
good.
that.
No, you're good. You're good. I just want to make sure you're not driving, are you? Looks like you're settled. Okay. All right.
Mark.
All right. Sir, there's another individual you see on the screen there. It's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if we can resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
State's offer would be a $255 fine with court supervision.
Yes, I would like court supervision.
Okay. How long would you need to get the $255 paid?
I could do that right away.
Today? Or it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm sorry?
Can I do it online?
Yes.
I guess what are the options?
Yes, you can either come in the building if you want, but if you see scrolling down the bottom of the page, it'll give you it says paytrafficfine.org. So that's the site you can go to pay it remotely.
Oh, okay.
Scrolling down there.
Yeah, I would be able to. Let me just screenshot that. There we go. Yeah, I would be able to do that either today or tomorrow.
That's fine. We'll just say by September 1st then. Just give you a little time to get that done. All right. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. You're good to go. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead.
One question.
Yeah.
When I go to that, will it prompt me to put in the information so it knows it's me and it's tied to this?
Yes. Yeah, okay. So you might need the information about the traffic ticket number. If you have that.
I still have that.
Yes, use that. Yeah. Okay.
All right, very good.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Take care. Scott.
Winningham.
Scott Winningham. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you Scott Winningham?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You should see in the screen there's another individual. That's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if we can resolve the speeding ticket.
Yes, ma'am.
State's offer is going to be $255 fine and court supervision.
Is that something you would want to do?
You said 255, just
Correct.
confirming.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. That is what I would like to do.
All right. How long would you need to get the $255 paid?
Not long, but maybe a few days.
Okay, I'll just put on there by September 1st.
That'll work, Your Honor.
Okay. Any questions about it? And if you watch at the bottom of the screen, it will scroll through and it'll give you a site of paytrafficfine.org. That's a site you can go to if you want to pay it remotely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am. I thank you for your time.
All right. Thank you. You're good to go. Thank you, sir.
You all have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stuart Rutland. Are you Stuart Rutland?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Very good. You see in the screen there's another individual. It's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if we can resolve the speeding ticket.
State's offer would be a $255 fine with court supervision.
Ma'am, I was hoping that I could have the ticket dropped to a lower charge to not and possibly do like a traffic school to not get a speeding ticket on my license.
Well, what this the supervision, what their offer is it's for supervision, court supervision. So what that means is if you make it through whatever the time period is, and that will depend on how long you need to get any fine paid. If you make it through that term, don't get any other tickets, or able to get that fine paid, it will not show up on your driving record as a conviction.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Is that what you were wanting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that's what the supervision gets you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Is that what you want to do then?
Yes,
Okay, how long would you need to pay the $255?
I can go ahead and pay it today.
Okay. If you see at the bottom of the screen scrolling through, it'll say paytrafficfine.org. That is a site that you can go to pay that remotely.
Okay.
Yeah, paytrafficfine.org.
Got it.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're good to go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
The last one is William Tomlinson. Thank you, Kim. Can you hear me, sir?
I can. Can you hear me?
I can.
I'm sorry. This is technology.
I understand completely. I'm right there with you. All right. The other individual on the screen there is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see whether or not you want to resolve the ticket for using the electronic communication device.
Okay.
So the state's offer would be a $255 fine, court supervision on the electronic communication device, and we did receive proof of your registration, so that ticket will be dismissed.
Okay.
Is that something you would want to do?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the $255?
I can send a check today.
Okay. All right. And since you can pay by check, I'm just going to put on there, just pay it by September 1st.
Okay.
All right. Any questions, sir?
Nope.
All right. We'll show then that the supervision then on the electronic communication device, and we'll show that the registration is dismissed.
Okay.
All right. You're good to go, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
That should take care of everybody, I think.
I don't know how we get out of there.
You should see an end meeting
Okay.